Hello teachers! Today I want to show you how to use Microsoft Whiteboard function in Microsoft Teams. We are already in a meeting right now. So first, click the Share Content. And you can find the Microsoft Whiteboard here. Here, you can choose to be the only person able to write it, or you can use this space as a collaborative space where every student in your class can edit it. Don't worry, you can change the edit ability in the setting menu later. Let's see how to use it. It is pretty simple. Just write. And you can also type by click at Add Text. And you can resize whatever written in the whiteboard so that you have more space to use later. And at the end of the session, you can save the whiteboard content as a picture in a PDF form. Just click on the setting menu and export the image. Here, the image is downloaded. Have fun, teachers, and explore more. Bye!